Dell Inspiron 15 7567 laptop T8TJG. Review deal discount unboxing setup. After a few days of obsessive research for a $750 gaming laptop, I ended up going for this one. Couldn't be more content with my decision, as this thing is a beast for the price. The screen dilemma is not an issue these days, as they have completely done away with the TN version, which was the only con I ever saw about this model. Anybody interested in gaming laptops should be sure to research all the ways to optimize performance and declutter Win 10. This laptop is the fastest web surfer I have ever used thanks to the SSD. If you plan on having quite a few titles, and especially if you plan on modding, factor in the price of a HDD as well, unless you went for the configuration that had one included. I play Oblivion, Skyrim and Kingdom Come Deliverance. The only title I have modded thoroughly is Skyrim, and I have already used over half of my SSD. As far as performance with the games I mentioned, Oblivion everything maxed, chills between 50-60 FPS in open world, constant 60 FPS in dungeons, buildings, etc. Skyrim everything maxed, no mods, same results as Oblivion. Strange, right? Maybe because it's special edition version and better optimized? Heavy texture mods, max CNB settings, 30-50 FPS open world, constant 60 FPS inside places. Heavy texture mods, low ENB, perfect for me, 40-60 open world, 60 inside places. Kingdom Come Deliverance, a very demanding game. Poorly optimized, aka hell on even high-end rigs can run 30 FPS average on high settings. Pretty impressed. This laptop plays games better than the current gen of consoles, PS4 Pro and Xbox One X included. Factor in as well the portability pros of a laptop, the superiority of gaming with a mouse and keys, and let's not forget this is a great PC for everything else non-gaming, and I'm instantly a member of the PC Master Race Law. The speakers are one step above standard quality, and plenty good for short gaming sessions, but nothing beats headphones, and this thing handles my master and dynamics perfectly. Battery life is trivial to me, as being plugged in is a must for optimal gaming performance. However, I remember seeing that you should expect no more than 2 hours on battery while gaming and 8+ hours while doing other tasks. Phew. Good to know. Fans are loud while gaming, but not so much that it is a nuisance. Also, the temps may be too high for casual users that have PC and lap, but temp management is actually quite nice for a gaming rig. Playing Kingdom Come, the hottest I ever saw was 74 DC. Lastly, do not overclock the CPU. It's common sense for most laptop gamers but still feels worth a mention. It can factory boost to 3.5 GHz anyways. However, I highly recommend overclocking the GPU. Just do your research before attempting. My preference is MSI Afterburner, though I found that the combustor, meant to tax your GPU, doesn't serve as a good basis for all games. I was able to OC the core clock plus 270 from factory and the memory clock plus 900 from factory with combustor holding up for 20 minutes. But with Skyrim my settings went to plus 240 and plus 800 to maintain a freeze-free extended gaming session. Special discounts on product. Get the discount link in the description box.